Hello everyone, welcome back to our Christmas craft ideas channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are sharing another beautiful collection of easy, creative and Christmas craft ideas that will fill with your home with warmth and holiday spirit. So sit back, relax and grab your favorite thing and enjoy this amazing inspiration. Let's get started. Christmas is the perfect season to be creative. Handmade decoration make every home feel warm, cozy, and full of love. The best part is that you don't need expensive supplies. With simple materials and add a little imagination, you can create beautiful holiday decoration. Today's collection include elegant Christmas tree, lovely ornaments, festive wear, candle decoration table, centerpiece, wall decor, gift ideas, and many more creative DIY projects. You can decorate your Christmas tree with handmade ornaments made from paper, fabric, ribbon, or wooden piece. Every small detail make your tree more beautiful. Simple basket, jar, and wooden decoration can become amazing Christmas decorations with fairy lights and greenery. Mini Christmas villages and tiny house create a magical winter feeling inside your home. Beautiful red bows, pine cones, snowflakes, and Santa Claus little bells add a classic Christmas touch to every decoration. DIY candle holders can create a warm and peaceful holiday atmosphere. You can also recycle old materials and turn them into beautiful Christmas decorations. Handmade crafts are not only affordable but it's also unique and meaningful. These ideas are perfect for your living room, dining table, bedroom, office, classroom, or even as a thoughtful handmade gift for your family and friends. Mix white, red, golden, green, and silver colors to create a festive and elegant Christmas look. The joy of Christmas comes from sharing love, kindness, and creativity. Every handmade decoration tells a story and make your holiday even more memorable. We hope these ideas inspire you to create something beautiful this Christmas season. Now, before we finish today's video, I would like to give a very special thank you to two wonderful supporters of our channel. Thank you so much for Marisol, García, Zamora for your lovely comment and your kind wishes for our channel. Your support truly means a lot to me. And thank you for Mariarayo, Alvarez for your wonderful feedback and encouragement. We really appreciate your kindness and support. We are grateful to have amazing viewers like both of you. Thank you for being part of our Christmas craft family. Thank you for Thank you so much for every single subscriber for helping our channel grow every day. Every view, every like, comment, and subscription motivates us to create more beautiful Christmas craft videos for you. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming Christmas craft ideas. Stay creative, stay happy, stay blessed. I will see you in the next video. Christmas is not only about decorating our homes, it is also about sharing love, happiness, and beautiful memories with the people around us. Every handmade craft is created with care and brings a special feeling that store-bought decoration cannot replace. We hope today's Christmas collection gives you a fresh ideas and inspiration, inspired you to decorate your home in our own unique style. Remember, you don't need expensive supplies. A little creativity, patience, and love can turn simple materials into beautiful decoration. If you have a favorite craft today's video, please tell me us in the comments below. We always enjoy reading your ideas and suggestions because they help us to create even better videos for you. Before we say goodbye, I would like to thank all of your amazing viewers from around the world. Your kind comments, likes, shares, and subscriptions encourages us to upload new Christmas craft inspiration every single day. Once again, a special thank you Marisol, García, Zamora, and Mariarayo Alvarez for your wonderful comments and kind support. We truly appreciate your love and encouragement. You're an important part of our Christmas family, and we are so grateful to have you with us. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's Christmas craft ideas, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming video. Stay creative, stay happy, and keep spreading the joy of Christmas. Having a wonderful day. Stay bless you, and see you in the next video. Take care. Stay creative, stay blessed, stay inspired. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.